Hey guys, I just hit the gym for a quick workout. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some lunch. Probably go to my favorite Chinese restaurant. Take you guys for a ride with me. Got my new gloves, my new racing gloves came in. I got them to protect the Alcantara on the steering wheel. I'm gonna head and go get some lunch. Take you guys for a little ride with me. I'm kind of liking the gloves. I got the ones without the fingers on the top. It'll keep this steering wheel nice and clean. Another hot one out today, 96. Oh my goodness. It is a hot one for sure. These gloves are a pretty good deal on Amazon. Real leather. It was like $27, I believe this set was. Very comfortable. I like them. Actually ordered me another pair with the full fingers too, to see if I like that too. But I can switch from time to time. I switch. place we're going to is Royal Asian Bistro, which they serve like sushi, Chinese, Japanese, Thai. They have like every Asian food imaginable at this place, called Royal Asian Bistro. Food is phenomenal, all of it. I've tried the sushi, I've tried the Chinese, I've tried the Thai, I tried them all, and every one of them are fantastic. So this is like my number one go-to for all Asian food. May have some sushi today. Keep my diet nice and clean. I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. I was around the 280 pound mark. Now I'm about I think I'm about 268. Trying to get down to about maybe 250. So I gotta watch what I eat, do a little bit of exercise, do the best I can. Come on, park anywhere. There's a million parking spots. Come on. Well, I'll park far away from everybody. Let's see, I'm gonna go on the other side. This person never wants to go where they're supposed to go. Come on. Let's go. Away from everybody. Cool. All right, go get some lunch. Well, it's actually a late lunch because it's like almost 3. But I'm okay with it. All right, grab my glasses. Okay. I'll take you guys up there with me. Thank you.
How many tickets?
None. I drive very responsibly.
All right, man. Hey, it takes a lot of, that's not what I'm looking for. A lot of self-control.
Self-control, correct.
Have a good one.
You got it. Take care. Every time I see my car, they always think that I'm a speed demon, that I drive crazy going everywhere. But I don't. I'm pretty much responsible, pretty much. Even though people start yelling at me and they're thinking I should be beating it up on the street, doing 100 plus on the street. Yeah, it's not advisable. Especially here in Florida, there's a lot of cops. They're always looking. Well, I did park far enough away from everybody, so we'll see if anybody's parked next to me when I get out. the name of the place here, Royal Asian Bistro. They got it all. My favorite place. Thank you. Okay. I got a pretty good menu here. More likely I have the chicken teriyaki. How are you? This is one of my favorite waitresses. Every time I come here.
Thank you so much.
I'm going to have ice water, please.
With lemon?
No lemon. Thank you. All right, guys. I'm just going to order my food, eat some lunch. I'm not going to bore you with that stuff. I'll turn the turn the phone back on when I leave here and get on the road. Talk to you guys soon. Later. So I ended up getting one of my favorite dishes, and here it comes. Thank you. Look at that. That is so yummy. Comes out piping hot. Now I'm about to eat this, and it's going to be pretty much my dinner. Because it's already after 3:30. So I'll be right back with you guys. All right, food is half eaten. I'm bringing half of it back home. I'm heading out now. Head to the Beast. See where you probably parked next to me. Have a good night. Yeah, teriyaki dinner there is fantastic. It's so good. I basically just eat the chicken and eat some of the onions, but that's it. I don't eat the rice. Gotta stay away from that rice on that white bread. Oh, nobody parked next to the Beast. That's a good thing. I swear, every time I park away from everybody, they always seem to find my car and they want to park right next to it. But not today. Thank God. The Beast is by itself. Okay. Get my gloves. I'm liking these gloves. They're pretty comfortable. Turn the car on. Turn on some loud mufflers. We'll just head home and see what kind of adventures we can get into. Hopefully nothing crazy. Nice, simple gym check. And go out, get some Asian food. And head back on home. Put my favorite mode on, which is track mode. And there we are. All right, here we go. Oh, it's a hot one. 97 degrees. It's hot. God, my air conditioning worked great. Some cold stuff. Actually, I'm gonna turn on my cool seats too while I'm at it. Get my back and my butt nice and cool. It's one thing good I like having about this car was with the heated and cooled seats. It's so comfortable. The Recaros look great, but I don't track the car, so it's like, and for me, I'm a bigger guy, so it really was digging into my legs and in my sides. So that's why I got rid of my last car. I got rid of the Recaros and went to comfort seats. It was so much more comfortable, easier to get in and out. The heated and cooled seats are just like a bonus. It's so good. The other Recaros look good. They look aggressive. Great for track use if you're only going to use it for track use. But to drive every day in, and I drive this car at least 3 times, 4 times a week. It's not a garage queen. I do take it out and I do a little pulls here and there and keep it nice and lubricated, you know. So it's definitely not a garage queen. I try not to come out on rainy days. If I get caught in it, I get caught in it, but 3 to 4 days a week, I like to take it out. Police. That's somebody. Normal street signs. Dip in the road. Well, pretty soon I'll be going to Mexico, and then try to get some 60 to 130s in and tape it. And it's probably going to be at night where there's when there's no traffic around. We know how Mexico gets during the day, but during the nighttime, it should be all right. So I'm planning on getting it done maybe this week sometime. Like I said, I've been taking the car out like 3 or 4 days a week. I'm going to start making content, different stuff, Nothing crazy exciting, but, car shows here and there, cars and coffees here and there, fuel pulls here and there. I'll try to, give me some ideas if you guys want to give me some ideas on what I should do. Be cool. Give me some ideas and I'll make some content, man. All right, I just made it back home. The Explorer is right there on the side there. I've been doing a little bit of work to that thing too, but nothing crazy. Mostly cosmetic stuff. So that's it. Get this bitch in the garage and upload this video. Whoa. All right. I'm in. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.